inside?
A brush?
No.
Dolly's hair?
No, it's my favorite toy.
Show me. A yogurt jar? What is that for? Wow, so pretty!
Do you want one?
Of course!
Shall I help you?
Yes, please.
This is your yogurt jar.
A yogurt jar? Are you sure about that?
Yeah. It's your yogurt jar.
Guess what color it is?
Pink.
Oh, it's not a yogurt jar.
See? Kitty nails?
I see pink
Kitty
and orange.
nails?
There's pink and orange.
I think it's blue. Do you?
I think it's pink and orange.
Let's check.
Both kittens going to be orange?
It's pink and orange. I see the pink foot.
Let's see.
We both got pink and orange.
Maybe you should have 4 feet.
What's the name?
Let me check. I got
Some of them are at the back.
I got Jasper.
What's
Jasper.
Oh, so cute.
Do you want to see mine?
Yes, please.
This one.
Is Mittens.
Mittens.
That's such a cute name.
Mittens and Jasper.
Which one do you think is the best one from here?
They need to comment.
Comment below.
Comment at the video below.
I will see which one's my favorite.
My favorite's the disco one.
Which one you would like to unbox next?
I would like Archie.
Archie. Very unique cat, Archie. So we will be unboxing something in our next video.
I want to unbox
Zoe.
I'm going to unpack Zoe.
Bye. Hope you like the new videos And hope you like this one.